Step up your JavaScript game and stop using boring for loops for arrays. Rather help yourself with advanced array methods like the reduce method. What does it do? If you need a value that depends on all array elements, you can achieve that using the reduce method. How is it built? First, we need an array. Our aim is to get the sum of all of those numbers. So firstly, we use the reduce method on this array. The reduce method expects a callback function. This callback will be invoked for every single element within this array. As you can see, the provided callback awaits two mandatory arguments. Total will be the result of the previous iteration. If this is the very first one, total is 0. The currently iterated array item is referenced under current. In this case, the first iteration, it would be the value of 10. But now our callback function needs some logic to achieve our goal. I just said we want the sum of all the elements, so we want a reduce method to iterate through this array and summarize the currently iterated value with the result of the last iteration. So let's return it. Now let's see all iterations one by one. If there is no initial value provided, the initial value is 0. The first iteration would be with the number 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. So this 10 will be the new total for the next iteration. During the second iteration, current is now the next array's element, in this case 15. 10 plus 15 is 25. So the new total is 25 now. For the next iteration we approach the number 20. 25 plus 20 is 45. That sets the value for the next total. And for the next iteration, the argument current is also the next array element 25. This statement results in 70. And just like this, we summarized all array items using the reduce method. There is one more thing I want to show you. Like I said, in the first iteration there is no value as total, but with an optional argument you can set an initial value. This argument comes right after the callback function. Let's say I want to set it to 5. The first iteration would not be 0 plus 10 like shown earlier, but it would be 5 plus 10. The following iterations would run normally, so that at the end your result would be 75. For tons of more tutorials or fancy front-end snippets, follow me on my social media and await a big JavaScript beginners tutorial coming soon to my YouTube channel.